1997 Mazak Quick Turn 20. Tplus control. Chip pan with coolant pump. Mayfran chip conveyor. RS-232 port. Machine shows total cut hours of 519, but that is likely not accurate. They have been reset, obviously. Sheet metal all appears to be in good shape. It's a coolant pump. This machine does not have a transformer, and it's wired low voltage. 230 volts. Eight-inch 3-jaw hydraulic chuck. Tool presetter has a brand new Metrol tool eye sensor on it. 8-station turret. We do have some tooling on the way. It'll have 4 turning wedges and 3 boring bar blocks. Programmable tailstock. And we'll power it up here and get it going. We're going to run the spindle at 3 different levels. We'll start it at 1,000 RPM, then we'll bring it up to 3,000, and then we'll run it at 5. That's made at 1,000 RPM. Nice and quiet. Run it at 3,000. 3,000 RPM. And we'll take it to 5, which is the top end on this machine. Have Z-axis movement here, nice and quiet. And then we'll do an X-axis movement. Watch your body. Nice and quiet. We do a turret index. Bidirectional. Tailstock, we'll do, it's a programmable tailstock, hydraulic tailstock with body and quill movement. The tool eye retracts down automatically. Brand new Metrol tool eye sensor. And automatic up. Conveyor. belt. It's fine. Inside the electrical cabinet. Fans are running.